Are you curious about the importance of analytics? In this video, I will share 7 amazing stats that prove how vital analytics are for your business. Stay tuned. Hello business owners. If you want to improve your marketing techniques, you need to use analytics. Analytics provide the data you need to make informed decisions that will help your business grow. Here are 7 amazing stats that prove the importance of analytics. 1. Companies that use data-driven marketing techniques are 6 times more likely to be profitable than their competitors. 2. 72% of marketers say that improved data quality would impact their ability to make better decisions. 3. 51% of companies say that data-driven marketing has increased their ROI. 4. 89% of marketers say that increasing their data-driven marketing efforts would positively impact their business. 5. Companies that use data-driven marketing are 2.5x more likely to make decisions faster than their competitors. 6. Data-driven marketing can help you save up to 30% on your marketing budget. 7. 85% of marketers say that data-driven marketing has helped them improve their decision-making. So what are you waiting for? Start using analytics today to take your marketing efforts to the next level. If you gained any value from this video, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more. And please, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.